Hello beautiful people, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending on when you are watching this video. But over here in Italy it's morning, and as usual I'm already awake and I'm in the kitchen preparing breakfast and lunch for my kids. So for breakfast they will be having milk and chocolate, which is basically hot chocolate or tea as we Nigerians call it, right? They are going to be having it with bread. But for lunch I'm making a very simple pasta dish for them. So today is, on this day, well, when I'm making this voiceover it's no longer Thursday, but on the day I recorded this video it was on a Thursday, and every Thursday is my first daughter, which is Favor, as some of you already know her. She will be staying till 4 o'clock, only Favor, but my two boys will be coming back by 1 o'clock. Then Blessing, my last baby, will also be staying in school till 3:45, but she does eat at school. They make food for them in school, but for my first daughter they don't make food for them in school. So I'll be preparing this pasta dish, and she's going to be taking some from it to school. So that's what I'm basically doing now. For the pasta dish, I'm going to, as you all can see, I've already gone ahead to kind of parboil the pasta. I parboiled and cooked it a little bit till it's somehow soft, and then here in my saucepan I added some olive oil, went in with some onion, and I've just added my tuna. So I added a little bit of olive oil because I know that the tuna has oil in it, so I needed to balance it up, right? So after adding the tuna I went in with that seasoning powder. You can use it to season meat, but it's also flavorful for pasta dish like such as the one I'm making right now. I added some salt, and now I've just added the pasta. I'm going to stir it up to make sure everything is properly combined, and that is it, guys. It is so easy, super, like you don't even have to waste time in the kitchen preparing lunch for your kids for school. No, and my kids love this recipe so much. Like, it's way easy to prepare and it tastes so delicious. Honestly, you should try it out if you haven't already. So by the side there I'm boiling some eggs, which will go with the pasta because we always eat pasta with egg in my house. So this is me portioning out or dishing out the pasta. The first plate was for Favor. She said she wanted to eat the pasta in the morning before going to school, and she will also still carry it to school. Like, that is how much she loves pasta dishes. So I portioned some for her to eat this morning, and then the other one was for her lunch for school. Yeah, but my other kids will be drinking hot chocolate with bread. Then when they come back from school by 1 o'clock, they will eat their own pasta. The remaining one in the pot is for my hubby and for Joshua and Caleb, which is my two boys. And like I mentioned earlier, Blessing will be eating at school. So this is the egg. I'm going to peel it and add to her lunch box, and that is basically it, guys. Potatoes. Mommy, are you reciting what your teacher taught you in school? Wow. Milkshake? You wanna drink some milkshake? Grape. Wait, did she say some grapes? Is there anything like that? Some grapes? So what carry this thing to your lunch box? Lunch bag. Is that my watch you are putting on? Oh, this child. Favor. We're also here. Let me have my watch. I'll see some before you wear it to school. Give me. Whenever I want to sleep, I take it off and then put it on the next day. And this morning, I forgot to put it on. She went to put it on by herself. Wait. Go and take your own. You have your own. Oh, you didn't charge it, right? Eh?
No, but I remember charging it in but I don't think it's working.
Bye. Leave my own for me. Alright, so as usual, once they leave for school, I start doing stuff around the house, and today was soup making day. So here is fresh, although not really that fresh, but at least it's beautiful. It's somehow fresh ugu leaves that a friend of mine from my church bought for me. She saw these leaves, these ugu leaves, and she called me on phone. She was like, she saw somebody that is selling it. Do I want? I was like, are you asking? Please get some for me. I'm going to pay you back. And here it is. She bought it with some angara, which is garden eggs, some scent leaves, and what again? She bought the garden egg seeds and the garden egg leaves, basically. So this is just the ugu leaves that I'm showing you guys, and I'm going to be using it to prepare a delicious pot of soup. Over here is some ashy seeds. So they are very dry and easy to peel. Some people soak theirs in water before peeling the skin, but hey, this is also a very nice way to do it. As you can see, it's not even that difficult to peel. So this is what I'm going to do one after the other. I'm going to peel each and every single one of them, blend them, and get them ready for my soup. This is basically soup prepping. I'm just prepping my soup for the main cooking, right? So you guys should stay tuned for the soup, the main soup itself. I'm going to upload that as a separate video, but this is just me prepping for the soup.
Half of them, no time, I'm so I'm not that I drink, so you go to school. I take your mind, to school, not to family.
Wahala.
Two, 38.